What's in the box? Inside the package, we find some paperwork, as well as a 65-watt charger. The Lenovo V15 GEN ABP 15.6 inches Full HD laptop, powered by an AMD Ryzen 57530U 2.0 GHz processor, redefine your mobile computing experience. This high-performance laptop, featuring integrated AMD graphics, 16GB DDR4 RAM memory provides enhanced multitasking and improved performance. 512GB SSD gives significantly faster speed and improved overall system responsiveness. AMD Ryzen 57530U 2.1 GHz processor delivers outstanding performance. Stunning 15.6 inches Full HD 1920 by 1080p bright display providing crisp and sharp visuals. Battery-integrated Li polymer 38 Wh battery, supports rapid charge, charge up to 80% in 1 hour. Keyboard 6-row, spill-resistant, multimedia FN keys. Keyboard. Non-backlight. The integrated numeric keypad simplifies number crunching tasks, while the service hotkey provides instant access to device. Touchpad. Buttonless Mylar Surface Multi-Touch Touchpad, supports Precision Touchpad, PTP. Camera HD 720p, with privacy shutter, fixed focus.